Hi, welcome back. Today I have a St. Patrick's Day themed sensory bin, and let's get started. So I have it in a different container this time than I did last time. I have one of those Sterilite 3-drawer pullouts. So I've just prepared this one and the next few, and then I can just tuck them away and I can just pull them out whenever I'm ready. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. A lot of this stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. These are little cauldrons, and I've actually had these since like Halloween. And I filled them with marshmallows. My kids are very treat motivated, so anything that involves something sweet is going to be a hit with them. And so I got these rainbow candles. They're on clearance at Target, and I thought those are really cute to stick in there, like you're finding the pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. And once they eat these marshmallows, which will happen very quickly, that'll be the first thing that goes, the container will be empty. And then I've put a scoop, this is from a protein powder, and we have about 1 million of these from medicines. So I put those in there so that they can use it to scoop the split peas that are my filler this week because they're green, and I didn't have to do anything special for them. And they can fill and dump the containers. I also have some St. Patrick's Day themed scatter in here. There's little rainbows and pots of gold, and then little foil golds. And they can hide those and try to find them. In my other pot over here, I have some plastic gold pieces, but then tucked into those, I have some chocolate gold, so they are going to be extra excited. So marshmallows and chocolate gold. We try not to do too much sugar, but a little treat every once in a while is fun. And I made a pipe cleaner rainbow so that we could talk about the colors of the rainbow and the order that they go in. Roy G. Biv: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, but in our case purple. And then I've added an extra pipe cleaner in here for stringing beads. I have rainbow colored beads in here so that we can practice putting them in order if you have an older kid, or just putting them on here at all if you have little fingers that need to practice that skill. When it comes to stringing, I really like using a pipe cleaner because it's a more structured piece of material, so it stands up when they're trying to do the hand-eye coordination to get the bead onto it versus a piece of string that's all flimsy and flopping around, and they have to have more hand control. So this is a good material to start with and then move up to an actual string. And then the last thing I have to show you is my Voss water bottle. This one is plastic, and sorry. Again, Dollar Tree bead necklaces that I have disconnected. And so my 3-year-old was actually just playing with this before I started the video. I took them apart, and then he was trying to use hand-eye coordination to get the necklace down into the bottle and then work to shove it all the way down. So I have 4 necklaces in here because that's what comes in a pack of them. So he was having a lot of fun doing that. And then of course putting the lid on and shaking it and being super loud. And I love that. Sometimes I question why I do these things. So there you have it. That's my St. Patrick's Day themed sensory bin for this week. And I will see you next time.